How to fix echo noise problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve echo issues during calls on your Android device. First, clean your phone's microphone and speaker with a soft brush or cloth. Next, remove any phone case or screen protector that might block audio ports. Following that, restart your Android device completely. Now, make a test call to check if the echo is resolved. Moving forward, if the issue persists, lower the call volume during conversations. Afterwards, open the Settings application on your device. In addition to that, scroll down and tap on Apps. Once there, find and tap on Phone or Dialer app. Subsequently, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Moreover, restart your device again after clearing cache. Afterwards, check for software updates by going to Settings. Then tap on Software Update or System Update. Within this section, download and install any available updates. Alternatively, test your phone in safe mode to check for app conflicts. Once in safe mode, press and hold the power button. Then tap and hold power off until safe mode option appears. Afterwards, tap OK and make a test call in safe mode. Then, if the echo disappears in safe mode, a third-party app is causing it. Moreover, uninstall recently installed apps one by one. Afterwards, if the problem continues, contact your carrier for network issues. Then you may also need to check for hardware damage at a service center. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix echo noise problem on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.